So behind me is my 03 2500 Duramax Silverado. If you saw the last video, I had it torn all apart to take to paint. It's back from paint, took about a week and a half, and now it's time to put it back together. Now I did get a head start. I did put the mirrors on, the mirror caps and the new OLED turn signals. That's another video, obviously. Hopefully you watched it. But now I gotta put the rest of the truck together, door handles, grill, bumper, fender flares, yeah. Let me get those parts out and get to it. I think we're gonna start with the grill because it just looks so sick. Here are the side pieces that go in the grill, the little winglets, whatever you wanna call them. Those are done. Here is the grill. How good does that look? Color matched. I was debating leaving it chrome, but I decided to just go with my gut and have it color matched. And I haven't seen it all put together, so that's what we're going to work on right now. I don't want to knock these off. Hey, that looks good. This is dirty and that's not acceptable. Putting the same black bow tie back on it. Stay in there, stud. Don't come out. Accepted. That's fresh. These just, goes around. Oh yeah, that is nice. I guess before I put this on, I should put the bumper on, right? I think that makes sense. Whoops, hold on. I think I need this. Right? Yes. I also had a paint under the hood. Didn't want that to be black. Didn't think it would match. I wanted it all to match. Looked like it was supposed to be there. Oh, mercy. Almost forgot about the top plate. Woo, that looks good. Moment of truth. I'm pretty excited. That is a good looking front end, boys. Spot the mirror caps back there. All color matched. Now, I did want to do the chrome bumper just to get rid of some of the chrome and to give it a more unison front end. Or I thought about having the bottom part painted. The body shop I went to, they said they'd do it. They didn't. They said it probably wouldn't last, painting the chrome and painting that lower plastic, which I know people do, but at the end of the day, it still looks good. It looks really good. And once I get it cleaned up and everything else put back together, we'll get some good pictures and really show this thing off. But for now, let me continue. Got to put these door handles in. Can't forget my lock cylinder. I figured it out. I really hope I don't drop this. There it is. Oh yeah. Sorry, I forgot to show you. No more clear coat peeling in there. Or at the top. Whoo, boys. 2 door handles. Get these all bolted in and put the door panels back on. Time lapse it. You guys don't have to see that. You know how that goes. See you in a couple minutes. another hot one. Today was actually supposed to be cooler than the following, or forthcoming week. So we'll see, but I'm hot. Anyway, truck is looking minty fresh. Hood, grill, bumper, fenders, mirror caps, door handles. All installed and looking great. Fan-freaking-tastic. Now, a lot of people say the cheap eBay, Amazon flares don't fit well. They don't line up, etc., etc. Well, I bought them anyway, and I had them painted. So I'm gonna try to put them on and give them a little bit of a review. Now, I did trim these already for the front so it clears. So that part is done. Clearance before paint. So I'm gonna try my luck with the rear. See how that works out. Just gonna wipe this down with glass cleaner beforehand to make sure my double-sided tape sticks. Hopefully, because I definitely am gonna need it. What to do first, what to do first. Yeah, it looks like it lines up. So I'm gonna peel these back, not all of it, just enough so I can grab it from the top. You always wanna do both sides because if you don't, one side will rip and you won't be able to finish getting all the tape off. Just enough so it sticks up. This double-sided tape seems decent. I've seen better. I don't know that I'd call it like 3M quality or anything, but it doesn't seem super cheap. It's not like super sticky, but I hope it'll do the job. Set this down for a second and wipe the sweat off my face. Whew. Now I have two push pins in here because I installed these rear fender liners and I used them in there. If you watched that video, which you probably didn't because only like 200 people did, so clearly no one cared. It's freaking stuck in there. There we go. Got it out. Oh my goodness. Whew. Holy crap. This is incredibly difficult. Whew. One installed. Good for me. Good for me. Alright, this is taking a long time. Let me just time lapse it. Alright, one side done. I am sweating. This was so much work just getting these two flares installed. So much finagling and hassling and everything. But they do look good. Fitment is decent. It's about to be expected. I'll do a more in-depth video on the flares and how they fit and the installation and all that probably at another time. There's enough in this video, but let me show you this side compared to the other side. Now I know a lot of guys don't like the Fender Flares. They like the look without it, which I do too, but I prefer the flares on this body style truck. I think it just makes it look a little meaner, maybe a little wider. So yeah, I'll let you decide. With flares. And without. I'm definitely happy. Mosquitoes everywhere. I'm definitely happy with the flares. I like the flare look a lot better. I'm glad they're on there. I'm not glad I have to do the other side. So let me just get that done and over with. Well, boys, here is the final product. Everything's installed on the truck and it came out just how I wanted. Paint matched, grill, these little pieces. This is paint matched, not that it wasn't before. All the OEM style Fender Flares all the way around the hood. The hood looks sick. The mirrors, which came out phenomenal. Obviously the wheels, which we already knew, were on here. The rear Fender Flares, everything just came together great. Very happy with it. Wheels got a little dirty on the drive over here. So I'm gonna get some pics. Gonna find some good spots for pics, maybe here. We'll see. I'm with my buddy Evan. Just put those wheels on his truck. We're gonna get some juicy pictures together. But as far as the exterior of this truck, it is pretty much complete. At least for now. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.